Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the basic Spring framework interview question. Spring being definition inheritance. So how can I implement inheritance in Spring framework? A child being definition inherits configuration data from a parent definition. The child definition can override some values or add others as needed. Spring being definition inheritance has no relation to Java class inheritance, that is extends that we usually do, but inheritance concept is same. You can define a parent bean definition as a template, and other child beans can inherit required configuration from the parent bean. I'll show you an example so that you can understand. I'm going to show you the XML file. I have two beans here with library and book. If you see here, this my library, it's a class which has two properties in it. So it has, if you see here, message 1 and message 2, there are two properties, and there are two values. And another class I have, another bean I have, my book. And if you see here, this is very important. Parent I have mentioned here it as my lib. So some of the configuration I am going to inherit from the parent. So this is parent and this is child. And if you see here, I have only two properties, message 1 and message 2, message 3. And message 2 will be inherited from the parent. So this is parent and this is child, and this property we are going to inherit. Okay, so let's see the class. So I have my library, message 1 and message 2, and if you see here, I have message 1, message 3 and message 2. Message 2 will be inherited from the parent class, but I am not using any extends here. This will be done by the Spring. So using Spring we are going to inherit message 2 from the configuration file. I'm going to run this application. Let's see how exactly it works. Here I'm creating the class path XML application context. I'm going to give the XML file, and I'm getting the bean, my library first, that is parent bean I'm getting, then the child bean. And if you see here, I'm not setting this message 2 in the XML file for book. See, for book there is no message 2, but still I'll be getting the value, because it's going to get this configuration value from the library because of one tag that you are using, parent, and my lib bean is the parent for my book. Okay, let's run this so that we can understand. I've started the debugging now, so let's see. So it's going to load this XML file. That means it's going to read and understand, and it's going to register these beans in the Spring application context. And now I'm going to call I'm asking for my bean, and I'm printing it. Can you see this? This is for library, and very important is this lot of books belong to a library bean. Since we have mentioned the parent, I can get in the book as well. Can you see? This is inherited attribute. This is inherited attribute from Spring. So this is how definition inheritance works in Spring framework. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you have any feedback, please provide. Thank you and all the best.